Hello everyone, and we are back, and as you can see the background has changed a lot because we have gone back to the original setup. So yeah, but this time we have the HP Pavilion G6 here, so that's really nice. And I had to do something. So as you can see, this is the power brick, and what I had to do is I had to grab a different C7 cable. This C7 cable is from the Dell Precision 5560, and it's because I cannot plug in the original one. Let me go get the original one. I have it. Here is the original C7 cable. As you can see right here, this plug will definitely not be able to be plugged into this. Also, this is gonna handle 240 volts, so that's way too much power since obviously America uses 120 volts for power. So yeah, and now you might be saying, well, how is this gonna work? Well, this brick, if we take a look at this power brick here, and if I zoom into the power brick here, you can see that for the input, we can go from 100 to 240 volts at 1.6 amps. And the output is 18.5 volts at 3.5 amps. Now, this, in theory, should work just fine. This brick is just fine because it's gonna give the power that this thing needs. The only difference is that the plug, it physically cannot be plugged into this. So that's why I'm using this C7 cable, which is for the Dell Precision 5560. It should work. And also, yeah. Anyways, this is a 65 watt charger, and well, it should theoretically work. So let's get this thing plugged in, and then we can restart this thing. Anyways, there we go. I plugged it in, and now, well, there's not really an indicator light or anything to tell that this thing is on, because yeah, there isn't. But anyways, we are gonna grab the actual barrel jack. This is the barrel jack, and let's plug it in. Oh my gosh, I'll be back. Alright, so I've plugged it in, and we are now going to boot it up. And just like that, it is going to boot up now. Oh my, the screen is actually glossy. Also, I'm pretty sure the hard disk works. At least I hope so. Okay, we're gonna take out the disk, and then it'll boot back up. So yeah, the hard disk is working, which is really nice, and it's actually pretty surprising because this thing survived 3 planes. Yeah, I don't know how. Anyways, yeah, we basically just got it. It's still running Windows 8 build 7957 because, well, we did an upgrade. But now we're going to be upgrading it to Windows 8 build 7989. So I'm going to go flash the ISO, and I will be right back. We are back, and we now have a 7989 USB flash drive. Yes, this flash drive has 7989. Now, if you're watching the dedicated video, because I'm making a dedicated video because this is the revival of the HP Pavilion G6 after a year, well, welcome to the dedicated video. Anyways, we're going to be installing Windows 8 build 7989 on the HP Pavilion G6. It's actually going to be an upgrade because we're upgrading from 7957. So let's get started. We're going to be plugging in our USB flash drive. Go, and we're going to be running the setup. Let's run setup. Clicking yes on the UAC prompt, and it looks like we have this Windows 7 thing. I'm just hoping that this is not the Windows 7 RTM thing. Oh, okay, it's not, because we've got the setup is glitched. That's a good sign. I've never been so happy to see the setup is glitch in my entire life. We do not want to improve Windows, no. It says Windows 8. Oh my gosh, it says Windows 8. That's another sign. We're going to be doing an upgrade. Oh no. Windows 7 Ultimate cannot be upgraded to Windows 8 Ultimate. You can choose to install a new copy of Windows 8 Ultimate, but this is different from an upgrade and does not keep your file settings and programs. You will need to reinstall any program to install the new version of Windows. Let's check out Min's client. Oh boy, I don't know what our Min's client is. But let's just take a look. It's probably a good idea to check Min's client. Yes, it's in C version. Okay, we're going to go into here and we're going to open it. And Min's client is set to 7601. I don't know why why can't you upgrade from 7957 to 7989? That makes no sense. I'll be back. Alright everyone, I've decided to make the executive decision to do a clean install. And you might be asking, Rootwick, it's an upgrade saga, why are you doing a clean install? Well, mainly because, well, there's not really a good way to get to 7989 from 7957. So, yeah, that's pretty strange. Now, I will copy over the log file to a USB flash drive so I can copy it back again. So, we will still have the log, obviously. But, yeah, it's not going to be a proper upgrade because you really can't upgrade from this build. So, yeah, it's pretty strange, isn't it? I know. Anyways, we're going to go to the root of this USB flash drive, and we're going to be copying over our log. Copy here. There it is. And now we are going to restart the computer. Obviously, it's going to be restarting in the we're going to be restarting it in the boot menu. So there it is. It's going to shut down. And we're going to boot into the boot menu, which I'm pretty sure is with F9. I don't remember. It's been a while since I've used this thing. Anyways, we're going to be using F9. And, oh boy, what the heck is this? I wonder what general is. Oh, yeah, it's that. Okay, good. General is what we needed to boot from. That's the USB flash drive. Windows is loading files. So yeah, I guess if you're watching the dedicated video, I guess we are installing a new OS on here and then not upgrading because there's no way to upgrade. So yeah, that kind of sucks, but we have to do what we gotta do. And here we are at the setup. There we go. We're gonna now click next. Click install now. You can see the fans are going because it's running off of a flash drive right now. And yes, this is a USB 3.0 flash drive, but obviously it's not really gonna work. Why does it say Windows 7 Ultimate Service Pack 1? And the other one it said Windows 8. What? We obviously cannot do an upgrade because we need to boot into the operating system. We're gonna do like the Windows.old thing. So yeah. There we go. It's now installing. Yeah. Cool. I'll be back once this is done. So yeah. Alright, we are now at the out of box experience. So yeah, as you can see, it says John PC here. We're gonna call this Upgrade Saga. Because yeah, I really don't know what else to call it. Here we are, and we're logging in, preparing your desktop. Oh, man, I'm starving. And I'll be back once we are logged in. Alright, here we are, and as you can see, we have the brand new wallpaper. So yeah, we've got the new wallpapers, and that's really nice. So Yeah, I think it's also set the screen resolution for us. Yes, it has, and I think it's got the graphics driver too. It also detected a wireless card, so yeah, it's pretty strange. It actually detected it again. We're gonna copy over our log file because, well, it's our important log file. We're gonna be putting it on the desktop because that's our log file, and closing it up. And now we're gonna be opening up our log file and updating it because we are on the next build. So yeah. I know this isn't really a complete upgrade, but we really gotta do this when you can't really upgrade. So I'm gonna update the log and we're just gonna end off the dedicated video, but not the upgrade saga, obviously. And for proof here, it is running 7989. So yeah. Anyways, that's gonna be the end of the dedicated video. But if you're watching the Windows 8 upgrade saga, like the full video, don't worry. Next clip, we're upgrading to the next build.